Ito na, Rose Ann, ang iyong request na recipe video ng ating very moist banana bread. Hello mga sisi, mga idol. Ngayon po ay ipapakita natin kung paano ko ginagawa yung aking very moist banana bread. Okay, so ito na po yung mga pre-prepared na gagamitin natin. So, just don't mind the quantity kasi this is equivalent to 4 batches. Alright? But then, ito na po. So, ilalagay ko siya sa comment yung recipe kapag kayo ay naghingi or ipipm ko sa inyo. So, in a medium bowl, usually, kailangan po natin ng 3 to 4 very ripe bananas. So, I intentionally bought a lot of bananas and then have it ripen because lumalabas yung tamis niya kapag hinog na hinog siya. So, 3 to 4 large bananas, which is roughly 1.5 cup when mashed. Okay? So, and then I put 1 teaspoon lemon juice. So, this is equivalent to 4 times 4. Okay? And then, in another bowl, so this is the dry ingredients. For that, you need to have at least 2 cups all-purpose flour, and then 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon salt, and then 1.5 teaspoon cinnamon. But it's optional kung ayaw nyo ng cinnamon. But I prefer to put a little bit kasi mas nai-improve yung aroma niya saka yung taste. So again, this is times 4 kasi kaya marami. Mabilis kasi kayo maubos yung moist banana bread namin. And then next, in another bowl, you put the sweet and then some of the liquid ingredients. So the wet ingredients. 1/2 cup white sugar, and then 1.5 to 3/4 cup brown sugar. So I use 3/4 cups brown sugar kasi mas masarap yung lasa ng brown sugar. And then 8 tablespoon butter, softened, or it's equivalent roughly to 1 stick. And then 2 eggs beaten. So nandito na rin yun, guys. 2 beaten na eggs. And then 2 teaspoon vanilla extract. And 1/2 cup, ito naman, buttermilk. So if you don't have buttermilk, this one is just yung ordinary na milk. Winarm ko lang siya. So dahil nga times 4, so this is 2 cups buttermilk. So to make a buttermilk, just the ordinary milk, and then you just put an equivalent vinegar. So 1 cup milk is has to have 1 tablespoon vinegar. Okay. So tapos guys, imimix lang natin ito lahat. Okay? Alright. Okay. So now we mix all the wet ingredients, the mashed bananas, then the one with the sugar and butter and buttermilk. And after this, after mixing this well, idadagdag na po natin yung dry ingredients. So, ito na po yun. Kailangan ata namin na mas malaking bowl kasi 4 batches nga po ito. So, but we'll see. Okay? And then we'll just gonna mix it. Mixed. Can you help me, Be? So, ito na siya, guys. Kapag na-mix nyo na yung lahat ng ingredients, ganito na yung itsura niya. So, ginamit namin to kasi kulang yung para sa loaf namin, yung loaf pans. Okay? So, ibilalagay na natin sa oven. Yung oven ay na preheat na to 165 degrees Celsius. So, preheated na siya, 165 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes first. And then, i-check natin. Baka kailangan nating ikutin kasi sobrang puno yung oven. And then, cook for another 20 minutes. Okay. So, ayan. Tumunog na yung alarm. Kunin na natin. Iahon na natin, guys, sa kahirapan. Sobrang init. Ikaw kaya dito. Ayan. Ayan. Looks yum. Isa-isa lang. Ito Ito, kita nyo na. So, lagyan natin. So, as you can see, it's crispy, but it's very moist inside. Ito na siya, guys. So, crunchy. At maamoy mo yung sobrang bango at